All right, guys, if you want to add an app like Post My Party or SynShare to your party, this is what you do. You go into the Facebook group, you go into settings, then you scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says add apps. Okay, so you click edit, and then here, I'll remove this one just so you can see. So then if you want to add more, you scroll to the bottom and click add apps. And then in this box, you search Post My Party, click it, and add it. And now, if you scroll back to apps, you'll see that they are both here. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.